we're doing it. We are doing it. Wait, what do you mean? Hold on a second. Trying to get this password in. Oh, yeah. Let go. You guys see what we're doing? Back to 20 apexes. 20 apexes. We're back. You know what? It's time. Oh, it's time. 15. I gotta have to wait for the other 5 to get in, I guess. Let's just watch market open. Just continuing to rip all the way up. Back to the 30,000s. Almost feels like immediately where we're heading. I have 5 more to wait to load up here, so I'm going to reset the accounts anyways. Matthew, good morning, King. First and foremost today, sir. I'm going to hiccup. Good morning, King. Let's get it. I'm so excited. Apparently, you know, this is what we got. So we're going to do our best. I am going to try to wait. Maybe I'll do it right now, see if it's ready to go. Get our other account. We bought the 20 accounts, and so we are just trying to get them. We are trying to get them. Hey, log in, please. Jeez Louise. Fucking lagging on me today, girl. Holy fuck, come on. How you doing? All right. I get it. 20, 50K's. That was a little bit weird. Let's get them all in there. And now we try to do it. We try to go on a runner here. Pobby, good morning, King. Max, GPT, work. Let's go, family. Sorry, I couldn't see y'all getting this thing all set up right now. Just ain't right. Welcome in, King. Anyone seen that Perez Hilton video? Shit crazy. I heard about it, but I didn't see it, Pobby. What was it? Hit the likes button on your way in. Have a great day, everyone. Let's go, Pat. Good morning, King. Amy, welcome in, sir. Boss, King. Come on, family. I love it. The family's tuned in. It feels like 30,000 is almost imminent. We are running the Apex accounts. We're going to try to make it happen. Hey, how I'm thinking about it is I'm on a losing streak, right? Kind of due for one. Also, these are the people that put me on my losing streak. So, like, you know, 30,068 feels just too gettable. There's no way we turn at 29,996, right? No way we just turn at 30,000 and don't go see it. I'm interested to see if we have a chance to go up there. What are we thinking? We definitely go sweep through those 30,000s, right? Daily opening print price is exactly at the low. So that actually would have put our daily candle at no wick below it, which is crazy bullish. Got to assume we just continue the upper train. 20 apexes, Pat, like you wanted, King. Losing streak. It's been rough work. It's not been good. There's 30,000 flashing in the NASDAQ for the first time in so long. I want to check this out. Holy cripe. First time 30K NASDAQ in weeks. You guys want to see something gross? Look at ES on a daily chart. What is that? What is that on all-time highs? Holy shit, man. Just look at it. But yeah, I don't necessarily know, family. What I do know is that this thing is trying to do some crazy stuff. I'm gonna delete this ATR. I don't know why that's on my indicators here. Where is it? Why do I have this here? How do I get rid of it? Why do I have you there, and how do I get rid of it? Turn my trade mode on. And yeah, I mean, you guys see what we're looking at. This triple top, too attractive to look away from. Right now, currently getting a rejection, but I do imagine we go grab that 30,100 liquidity. We'll see what happens, maybe back down towards the VWAP. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. And it's not that bad. It's just crazy because he was slicing away like he's cutting a sourdough bread with a dull knife. Ugh. Buyers strong. Buyers are strong, I mean. We have a clear triple target above. They've been so strong for a couple days now. We'll see what happens. I barely be here because I've been trading London session, but you want a losing streak? Unfortunately, yes, King. Yes. I mean, we've gotten a couple funded accounts, but nothing's turned into anything. We've just been losing. W's, I mean, welcome in, King. IDOD, driver off the deck. Come on. What's up, Panda? Welcome in, King. Yeah, I'm looking for longs here, family. I'm not going to lie. I want to see us trying to take out the 30,100 level. Feels like they're just going to go do it right away. It's obviously hard to just join early, especially trading these Apex accounts. I want to give ourselves a little bit of a chance, but lately the market just been going. But everything could happen. We could see lower prices today. We absolutely could. Losing streaks ends now. It's your time to win. I hope so, Pat. Let's see it, baby. Opportunities, always. Whatever happens, happens. Still a King, brother. Make sure we pray like always when I used to be in first before we start our day. Well, we need that, King. Get back in here and give us our energy. Give us our prayers. Let's go, baby. You're right, though. NASDAQ, a little bit of selling reaction now after sweeping through the 30,000 a second time. Coming back in towards this VWAP. Or technically, no, actually, VWAP's a bit lower. A little bit of selling. Little tiny bit of selling now. Big candle, actually. Almost 100-point candle and sells right there. What started that? Almost 100 points in selling candle right there. We have this triple top up here at the 100 level that I just feel like we want to go maybe sweep, but I don't know. There's a lot of selling pressure right there. Work, I've been holding it down, but it ain't the same without you, King. Let's get it. You've been doing your thing, Pat. It still means a ton. Oof, what a dump. Yeah, that's crazy. Tyler, so you are in that let's start a day with a question, how to handle and manage losing streaks. So you are in, let's start a day with a question, how do you handle, manage losing streaks? I just keep the perspective, King. Like, at the end of the day, we know that this game is about probabilities, and at the end of the day, the market is through different cycles, right? So I know that my strategy is going to win. Sometimes my strategy is going to lose. I'm okay with the difference, even though it does sting, but I just don't treat it any different. Same way I try to treat my wins. I know that I'm on if you're on a winning streak, you're on a winning streak. The market's just respecting your strategy right now. Maybe you can size a little bit more aggressively if you're hitting it consistently, but for the most part, try not to waver through wins or losses. Keep your head steady, keep your perspective strong, and the rest will play out. Done early, 505 locked in daily payout. My fucking man. My man, GPT. That's all you got to do, King. Grab your money. Grab your money and get gone. I love it, sir. I love it, sir. Yeah, look at this. I mean, this is just... They teased VWAP there. Never got there. Sellers came with a 100-point sell candle. So it makes it tricky. I would normally want to try this EMA pullback. If we get a closure here and an EMA pullback. Problem is, it's just very tricky. Very tricky. I want to go see that 30,000 liquidity, that 30,100 level, but it's like wild. It depends on your edge data. You must have data to know that the amount of losses is normal or not. Also is different in the account in eval or funded, for sure. I agree with that. Saucy, good morning, King. I definitely know that. I think this is a normal swing right now. I'm gonna be back, Patsky. You are King, and the things you do here amazing. You are the first brother, and I'm gonna come back, brother. I love it, King. Hey, I mean, I get it though, baby. You doing your thing, work. You making your money on, Asia, and that's all that matters too, King. So we want to see you win, brother. We'd love to have you here when you can be, but want to see you win. All right, NASDAQ coming back up into that level. Starting to get a little bit of rejection. That 100-point sell candle is interesting. Right above VWAP as well. Probably going to try to wait for our 15-minute range. See if we can get these 20 accounts passed. It would be so sexy if we could. I'm probably going to try to size a little bit more. I mean, I would need 100 points or 150 points. So 40 contracts would give me, only needing 3,000 is tough to make. I'm not going to lie. I try long, open, stop loss hits. Let's see what next. Let's See what's next. Volume. I mean, look at them. I'm buying this pullback. We get one. I'm buying a pullback here if we get one.
Order filled.
We're in. We got to hope for a top tick. I want to see this thing just start running for us. I want to see this try to take out those 100s. A lot of 30,000 battles still. Got to be careful here. Now we're dancing with an intraday trailing. Man, that's painful to watch. Come on, give me the continuation through there. Don't fucking fuck with us right now. Give us the continuation through there. Jesus.
Order filled.
We're gonna bust the fucking account after having... I'm gonna get fucking irritated. What the fuck was that? Go! Jesus Christ, man. The intraday trailing just fucks us. So crazy, dude. It just wants to sit here and fucking fuck around, but it's going to go rip through that 100 level. Why was there no continuation through that for a third fucking try, man? Absolutely retarded, man. Fuck, dude. That's just so annoying. And now you're going to go ahead and just go because you wanted to just fuck around just enough, you piece of shit, man. Seriously. Absolutely retarded. Oh, I'm going to fucking lose my cool. We have a positive trade that now we pretty much busted with $100 in drawdown because we were up $2,000. We're up $2,000. It just decides to perfectly come back before continuing. It's just insane. It's hilarious. It's fucking, of course. Of course. You know, it's just like, of course. Oh, I don't get it, man. I don't get this stupid fucking game anymore.
Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. I don't even have words, family. I'm just, that's just ironic. Just classic, really. Not even sure why I'm surprised. Why we would just, you know, come back, flash my fucking break even, tag me out of the game. It's just, it's so good. It's so good, dude. It's just so fucking good, man. Not even surprised. Because we would never just get one like a decent continuation when I'm in a fucking position to actually see this thing go rip through that one liquidity level. I only needed, by the way, like, shit, I don't even know. I think I'd be easily already done here at like these 60, 70s. I'd have passed these accounts, but nope. The losing streak just continues. I just can't, man. This is it. Obviously, how do I manage losing streaks? I'm ready to not. I'm ready to just take a long-ass break and say, fuck this stupid game. Fuck all of this. I'm over it. Shit's retarded. Shit is actually retarded. Alright, just got some new accounts. What kind of accounts are these? They're the 50K trade of 8 intraday trail, Matthew. Morning King. What up, Matrix? Welcome in, brother. Is that the 20? Is that 20 Apex? Yep. Just blown them after being, completely correct. But because we had a 50-point rip in our direction immediately, my intraday trail was up, was up and then came right back. So I'm up $2,000 because it comes right back to my break even. It pretty much bust the accounts. So they were going off of a $2,000 correct trade. Off a trade of being correct. Look, I busted these accounts $100. The trade was correct. I was up like 100 and whatever, $60, but blew my intraday, my drawdown. And because why the fuck would we never get continuation off of the first fucking time I buy an EMA? Why would we not just continue up to pass the accounts? I would pass the accounts right here, but no, it has to come back, retest one more fucking time. And then it's gonna go. Because I'm not on a losing streak, so why would I expect it to actually just go up for me? Why would I expect that? I shouldn't. I really shouldn't. Morning all. Welcome in, Brom. NTLR, welcome in, King. Ty, how much do you think you spent since your last payout, family? This is my last payout? Fuck, dude. I don't know. Probably 8 to 10. I don't know. I could do the math, but I don't know. Probably around 8 to 10, yeah. King, newbie, what up, Queen? Welcome. I've got my sound off. We have news, ISM manufacturing, 10 a.m. and 10:30 crude oil. Let's go, Dave. I just fucking love your reality, dude. The way you express reality. Keep going. You'll start hitting again soon. Almost accounts are about to pass. Yeah, 8 trailing drawdown. I blew my evals as well. Just bought a new set and hit daily loss. Fuck, Matrix. Sorry, King. Sorry to hear that. These pullbacks are brutal and spastic. I mean, I guess they're expected, right? So what am I really upset about? It's just the game. I should have expected it. It's just ironic. Because why would it ever just not retest my fucking price one time? Like, why would I, and why do I expect it to not to, honestly? I have a fucking trade that, by the way, I'm only correcting so far, but doesn't matter. You hit $2,000 profit in a flash of a moment. There's no carry through whatsoever. We're just going to completely revert. Look at this. I bottom tick this. It immediately rips up to the 38s from, so I'm up 53 points in literally 50 seconds. So you would expect, maybe we get a continuation. But nope, it's going to come back down, flash your price, and then just from there, from your exit, from your tag out, then flash up to what you'd use to pass the accounts. It's really, really good. Like, it's fascinating, really. It really makes you lose winning trades. It makes you trade sloppy. I mean, it is what it is. I should have expected it, right? So I should have just done better, I guess. Oh, wait, what is this? $11, $18, $10, $11, $18, and $20. Let's go to manage groups. $10, $11. 10, 11, 10, 11, 18, 20. Save. Let's go to 20K. Let's go to 10. Oh, no, this
it says that they're locked out, so they're probably locked out. Stupid ass market. Yeah, they're locked out. Okay. And I don't have access to the other ones yet. Oh my god, I just love it. I love the feeling of like, holy fuck, man. You're serious? Like, you're serious? Because why would I expect it to be different, Tyler? We just keep going. It's gonna change eventually, right? Right, family? My friends, my people, right? Oh, great. Now I gotta deal with this fucking... And we try again. Might just be an early stream day, to be honest with you guys, depending on how this works right here. News is in 10 minutes. Yeah, we might as well wait for it. I appreciate Abby and Dave for letting us know. Lots of 25K payout in one day when I use it on Apex intraday. Oh, makes me sick to my stomach. Sorry, bro. My peoples, good morning. I hope we all goop. Sob, good morning, King. We goop, goop, goop. Got your match, King. One day we will link up on the links. Cannot wait for it, brother. It'll be an awesome day. You will win, Ty. Just keep going. I know it, brother. But fuck, man. Like I said, I've spent like $8,000 since my last fucking payout. It's like just getting annoying. You know, it's just getting annoying. Which again, it's all NASDAQ money, so I should only be fucking, you know, grateful and privileged to even be able to swing 20 accounts at a time. I understand, and I am. My perspective is, you know, it's, I get it, but it's just fucking like, come, like, really, dude? Like, off a trade like that, that's literally been my fucking trading. It has to test the EMA one more time. You know what I mean? We finally get a closure through the EMA. I buy an EMA pullback. We don't get a continuation that we've been seeing for 2.5 fucking days straight. No, we're going to fake it out and then retest the EMA after sweeping through the high. Right? Of course we are. And that's just, of course, you know, and that's just my fault, obviously. So we'll see. I don't know. Are the candles on anyone else's trade evade moving spastically, like no volume, then sudden jitterness with a big move? Just trying to make sure my internet isn't acting up. Yeah, I think that's just the right now what we're getting for volatility, Queen. It's been crazy. Morning, Ty. Welcome in, Andrew. Good morning, King. 2 years of losses, no payouts, 3 fundeds, but here we are. I'm still running on fumes too, King. It's so annoying, isn't it, Pat? But we fucking will be through it, and we'll look back on these days and be grateful. Like we always are. You know, nothing changes. Then slow down. Then slow down a little and wait for easy, clean setups. There's no rush. I mean, that was a good setup. Like, look at the fucking, like, How do you swing 20 accounts? You just trade evade, use the copy trader, and then you put 20 contracts on, so it's 1 per account, and you go for it. Like that, bada bing, bada boom. I guess I should have closed it in 30 seconds when we get this initial sweep high. We tag the EMA and rip up 53 points. I should have closed for, you know, to take 2,000 and then expect a pullback. Like, no, you're never going to fucking do that. You're going to hold for another 25 points and pass the fucking account. I needed 25 fucking points there and we would have passed. But no, it's classy is what it is. She's a classy girl. Not your fault, King. I know. It's just so fucking annoying, dude. It's just so frustrating. Let's get our 15-minute range drawn up. You know what I mean? It's just so classy is what she is. These buyers are just they're doing that thing that they've been doing for fucking last couple days. Really preventing sellers from stepping up. The last thing I'd really want to see is this 100 level taken out. So the 30,100, I think, is a chance to go see. It's a strong buying wick. We'll see what happens with it. Hey, good morning, Queen. Welcome in, Danny. And we just wait and we try again. It's just so frustrating, man. And then today I was trying to buy MFFs. The only reason we're trading Apexes. And I put in the verification code when they send you a text to make sure you're you when you buy an account. And I put it in a letter wrong or a number wrong, so then they banned it. So now I have to call my bank just to be able to purchase the rest of the 3 accounts. So it's just like, you piece of work, you, is what you're doing. You're making me work for it. That's fine. That's fine. All right, NASDAQ, what do we got? Top of the 15-minute range at the 59s. I think the 100s is still possible. VWAP is kind of in play. We never actually grabbed it earlier. Kind of teased it a little bit. It's an interesting candle there from the sellers. Interesting. I don't really feel comfortable trying to short this thing at all, to be honest. We're running 20 accounts, Danny. Trying to make it happen. News in 4 minutes. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. 30,000 NASDAQ. And you guys see ES? You want to see something crazy? Look at this ES daily. Look at this. ES all-time high. Just straight ripping, man. Never to say anything else about it. Just we are going to new highs. So, we can probably assume NASDAQ's trying to find some longs, right? Right? Like, we can probably assume that. Don't say that I'm short from 37, laugh my ass off. Let's go, Queen, you crazy cat. I want to see it stay below that swing. I looked at that spot, too, not going to lie. TFF to the moon. Let's go, subs. All day, baby. Trading for freedom. That's all we do here. Tyler, there's a thing that happens with me when I'm on a losing streak. I feel every day in heavyweight, and what I expect next day is again a loss. I lose confidence immediately. I can't say it's not. That's very normal, King. I can't say you're alone in that, but you gotta just remember. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just probability, my man, and it's so annoying. Like you just seen what happened to me. That's just random probability. There's so many times where we get a big sell candle, reclaim from the longs, retest this EMA. I literally sweep through the high, retest this EMA, and we just go to fucking piss Valhalla. But no, it's going to tag me out. It's going to tag me in, go up 50 points, and then go test below the EMA one more time to bust me at an intraday trail before continuing higher. It's like, you can't even make it up. That trade is a good trade with randomness involved, which caused me to lose, and that's why I got annoyed. But it wasn't anything else. And so even though it doesn't feel great being another loser, you can't be, it's no reason to be unconfident about it, right? Obviously, as long as you're taking good trades, King. As long as you're taking good trades, eventually those are the same ones that will pay us. It's just fucking fuck, man. You know what I mean? It's just fucking fuck, man. It's fuckery duckery dock. The cock. News dropping in 2 minutes. Otherwise, I kind of want to short this, but I can't short it because of the 100 above. It's like, ugh. You know what I mean? Like, I kind of want to short this 15-minute range high, but I can't do it because there's news in 1 minute and 100 level above. Out at break even. Good exit, Queen. It's a great exit. Had a chance to get the catch. Obviously, news. You got to get out before that as well. So you did great things. Good trading. There we go. 20 seconds. We'll see a little dump of volatility. What do we get? I don't know. Let's watch this when news drops. See if we see anything cool. wasn't even any contract that just came in there. What the fuck caused that big selling? Like 33 contracts made that move like that? No. Like, what the fuck was that? Yeah, I don't know, man. That's a little weird. Like, sure, algos, but yeah, algos still have to execute positions, so what the fuck was that? I don't know. It's a little weird to me. That's a little bit strange to me. Break and reclaim. Short the top of the 15-minute range after we break through it with volume and then reject it. Classic trade. I didn't take it because how could you in a situation as such? And then, of course, that would have been one that passed to the accounts. Weird volume around this 30K level. That's what I'm saying. I've been doing this spastic ass movement. It's so random. It's so random. Which, why don't you just be more like your friend ES here, where we're just fucking piss missiling? You know what I mean? Just give me a piss missile. How about that? Oh, nice. All the way back to VWAP. Duh. Sellers are obviously gonna do it now. Duh. Like, obviously. Silly us, guys. There's hardly that many contracts to be selling off hundreds of points. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get this game anymore. I don't get this game anymore, friends. Well, a rejection at the top of the 15-minute range, a reclaim of it, and then continuing to sell back into the range means that we probably could break through the bottom of the 15. I don't think I'm going to look for that, but that's a possibility here. You know what I mean? That's just a possibility that we go to the bottom of the 15-minute range. And it's just completely dying off of that news. Morning, everyone. Stopping right real quick to say hi. On the way to the beach right now to get some sun. Hope y'all trading is going well. Market's been looking crazy. Weird feeling being net for the week. Net negative. Net neutral. Let's go, Santi. Hey, baby. We love it, King. Just drink up all that sun. Enjoy it, King. Enjoy the time with the people you're around. Have a great ass time, brother. Appreciate you for stopping by, showing some love. And hope you're having a good time. Just getting that mental reset. Net neutral is a great thing, my man. Bottom 15-minute range still feels possible here. I think I'm going to try it if we come back up into these swings. It's probably going to be suicide. After a VWAP tap, it's probably not the safest thing because this NASDAQ wants to just be crazy random. So even though a bottom of the 15-minute range from here feels very possible and we come back up into these 982s, I would be willing to try a short. You know, you got to just... tag me up in there and then go break the bottom of the 15-minute range and we'd pass these accounts. Yeah, best to wait for a plus setup pat. For an A plus setup at no trade equals a win. I agree. I'm gonna try it, family. I'm trying to short these 980s, and if we get it to break through the bottom of the 15-minute range, we'll pass these accounts. We'll see if it works. Who knows? It's an EMA attempt. EMA previous swing. EMA previous swing, and yeah, I still want to see the bottom of the 15-minute range try. Morning, Pat. To be honest, I'm nervous. First time going with a 1 year, and I've been told his dipper. I've been going with a one-year-old, and I've been told his diaper is about to destroy my car with sand. Wait, so confused, Santi. I'm nervous. First time going with a 1 year, and I've been told his diaper about to destroy my car with sand. Oh, because he's gonna get it. Yeah, I got you, 100%. Yeah, you're going with a little kiddo. And that man's gonna play in the sand. You gotta let him. But yeah, you're gonna want to vacuum after, man. It's hilarious, Santi. It's all right though. Well, look at this. Kiss my break even, then die. It's okay. I must mean I need to go back to sleep. Something like that. Something like that, newbie. I hate it because these are good fucking opportunities, but the Nasdaq just wants to fuck around. And I have to find out. Tag me in.
Order filled.
We're in. Now, can we just see a bottom of the 15-minute range, or is it going to just be a support level and we're going to be immediately wrong? Try maxing out at 2 trades a day. It's what I'm forcing myself to do. It's a good level. It's good discipline, Danny. Nope, it's just going to run right out without us. Perfect. How does this candle close? It's not terrible, to be honest with you. Problem is, I think that's still affecting our drawdown, so we just lost some more money in drawdown there. We got to see the bottom of the 15-minute range trade. We could maybe pass these accounts. That's what we're hoping to see here. Sellers to step in and reject this EMA. I don't love the battle. Should have been a little bit quicker. I don't hate the current wick above, but we're just kind of sitting at a decent level. Sellers get some gumption through here. We could maybe have some success, but you know, it's going to probably just dick around, and we just lost a fuckload of drawdown, so now we can't see that same high again. So, it's pretty good. Oh, yeah, and then they get a closure above the EMA. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. How much drawdown did we just lose? Quite a bit. And we're going to bust now. Come on, sellers. Why are you dancing at this 50%? Get a fucking continuation. Still have that 30,100 level above. I just want to see the bottom of the 50-minute range get a sweep, man. Nice. Perfect. Perfect.
Order filled.
Yeah, I just can't, dude. I just actually fucking can't. Yeah, we're just gonna call it there, family. I don't have the energy for this. I just really don't. So I appreciate y'all for stopping by. It means the most. Well, now look at this. Kiss my break even. Trying to max it out. Great job, Danny. We were in big range. It's just insane, Poppy. Don't even have words for it. Not in the energy. Just no. So, yay. Another Wednesday. Successful. We tried. Got our teeth kicked in, as always. Because watch, this will probably just break down through here. I just want to watch really quickly to see that right there, that one more fucking wick is going to be the one. Let's just watch really quickly here.
Order filled.
Yeah, right.
Order filled.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here. It means the most. I'll see you guys when I see you. Tomorrow, as always, drink some sun, get some water, look at somebody you love, and hopefully we just fucking don't lose again. So, I don't know. We'll see. Take it easy, family. Peace.